Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Pizza Hut pizza. First, let's start with the foundation, the dough. Combine warm water, active dry yeast, a touch of sugar, all-purpose flour, and a pinch of salt. Knead this mixture for about 5 to 7 minutes until it's smooth and pliable. Then, let it rest in a warm spot for at least 1 hour, allowing it to double in size. This crucial step ensures a light and airy crust. Next, we move to the heart of the flavor, the sauce and cheese. Spread a generous, even layer of a slightly sweet and tangy tomato sauce over your prepared dough. For that classic taste, use a blend of shredded mozzarella and provolone cheeses. Make sure the cheese covers the sauce completely, extending almost to the edge of the crust, creating a perfect melt. Now it's time for your favorite toppings. Arrange them evenly over the cheese, ensuring a good distribution for every bite. Preheat your oven to a hot 475 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature is key for a crispy crust. Bake your pizza on a preheated pizza stone or baking steel for about 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbly. Almost there, once your pizza is out of the oven, resist the urge to cut it immediately. Let it rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps the cheese set and prevents toppings from sliding off. Then, using a sharp pizza cutter, slice your masterpiece into 8 uniform pieces. Serve it hot and fresh to savor the delicious flavors of your homemade Pizza Hut-style creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.